I'm Tony, Thompson Building Associates. We're here on a microbial growth job. Basically what we're doing right now is taping off all the areas around the doors and openings that we want to seal up. Then we will set containment over those areas with 6 mil plastic, seal it with duct tape, and then we'll be setting up negative air for this job so that we can clean all the spores and particulates out of the air as we do our demolition. So when you're bagging up everything, you do not tie the bag shut. They are to be spun closed, goosenecked, and taped to ensure good seal. Okay, so once your containment's set, you've got your air scrubber going, you've wiped down the walls to alleviate any surface spores. When you start your demo, you want to go 1 to 2 feet past the visible microbial growth. In the case of this job, we have opted to take 4 inches down from the ceiling and take 6 foot of each side of the wall in this room. We'll have it running while we're doing the demo. That's going to clean the air while we're in here. Once we open up the wall cavity and we've got our trash out of here, we'll run lay flat from here into the decontamination chamber. It'll help the decontamination chamber stay cool because it'll provide ventilation, and it gives the air in here a place to go so that we're not just re-cleaning everything. It's fresh constantly. From here, we'll bring in the equipment I need to bring in, finish the containment on each end of the hallway so that I have a decontamination room, set the air scrubber, wipe down the walls, and proceed with demo.